everybody, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. And if you've been following me for a little while, you know that I joined the YouTube Cross Channel Challenge 2021, where every month we have someone else that's in the challenge come up with a different theme or motive or whatever you want to call it for the challenge. And for the month of February, Quentin from Deadwood Casting and Turning came up with it, and it's to make a flower. So I knew this was going to be challenging for me, and I'm not sure how it's going to turn out. I'm taking a piece of just mystery wood. I'm not sure what it is, but I'm going to use that and some resin, and hopefully it'll look like a flower when I'm done. If not, I'm going to learn something anyway, right? So stick around and see how it turns out. Okay, so what I'm going to do is do this upside down because I want epoxy to be the flower part. So I'm gonna mix up some yellow, and I'm gonna let that heat up and kind of thicken. And I'm gonna put in some lavender mica powder, just to kind of break up the color a little. I'm gonna let it heat up so they don't blend together so much and just kind of gel. So let's get to it. This epoxy is a 1-to-1 mix. It's not deep or anything like that, it's just tabletop epoxy, so hopefully it'll work out pretty good. It has so far. Alright, 84 right now. Watched one of the Jake Thompson's videos, and he was using liquid diamonds, I think it was, and he said that about 120, 130 degrees is the best to keep them from blending together. Now I'm not mixing two mixings of epoxies, but I still want this to be somewhat thick so this doesn't just blend together. So I don't know how different this one will be as far as temperatures, but we'll see. We'll let it warm up a little bit and make some in. Wow, okay, so I think it's ready. You can see that 135, it was at 112 for several minutes. It's been about 14 minutes. It was at 112 for 3 or 4, and then I just checked it, and yeah, 135. So let's go ahead and do this. I mean, it's not that critical because I'm not mixing epoxies. I just don't want it to get too set up. Alright, I think we should be good. Put it in a pressure pot and we'll see what we got in a day or so. Alright, well, it kind of did what I was afraid it would. It's kind of turned into a mustard yellow, and not the Heinz mustard yellow, like the Grey Poupon mustard yellow. It's got some purple spots and some streaks in it, but I think it would have done better if I'd have had the liquid dyes instead of the powder. There's some pretty purple, but we're gonna lose that. But alas, it's what we have, so
pitter patter.
Let's get at her.
starting to think this might be oak of some kind because it's kind of boring. Definitely not like the other oak I have, but I don't know, we'll see what it turns out to be. It looks about as stressed out as I am right now. Yeah, let's see what she looks like. Possibly is gonna look like. It's not too bad. Wood's definitely prettier than I expected. I'll put some sanding sealer on. So I got 4 coats of sanding sealer in there. We're gonna go with Axe abrasive paste. Yeah, I think I'm happy with that. Got some purple, not nearly what I planned on. Okay. So here's my flower. It's kind of more goblet-y looking. Could have made that a little thinner, but I like how this wood actually turned out in the end. It's a lot prettier than I thought. A little hole there, I guess it was filled with the resin. I don't know if you can see that or not. Yeah, I think this was oak. The more I got into it, and more the inside came out. I wish I'd have got more purple streaks in there, but I mean, I think it looks okay. So again, that's my submission for the YouTube Cross Channel Challenge 2021. I'll put a link to Tournage Dubois' channel. He's got all the participants in there, and he's got a playlist for, I believe it's each month. But I mean, it seems like we get more people every day, so I can't keep up with linking everybody down below. So I'll put a link to his video that shows who all's in there. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you like it. Like I said, it turned out better than I expected in some ways, but it was fun. Thanks, Quentin, for that challenge, and thanks for sticking around if you guys watched it to the end. If you're a subscriber, again, I appreciate you very much. If you're not, why not? And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one, and God bless. Alright, so while I was editing, I realized that when I made the middle part of the flower, I did not have it in view of the camera, so I'm going to show you how I did it. So this is just a regular chopstick, and I cut it off at the end, and I'm just, make sure you wear some leather gloves for this in case it slips. But all I did, hopefully you can see this, is push it down in there. Just keep doing that. And then just spread it out. Some broke off. And then I dripped some super glue down in there just to make it stay, and fix some of them, because in the original one they broke off too. But and doesn't look great. I think the original one looked better, but yeah, that's how I did it.